Hi Quillers, today we can see how this motorized quilling tool works. Welcome to Agnes Paper and Crafts. This channel is all about quilling tips and tricks and card making. If you are interested in quilling, then this channel is for you. So subscribe to watch all our future videos. I am a person who try not to spend too much on supplies that I don't use. So even though this tool looked interesting, I kept saying no to buying for a long time. Later, when I started to spend more time on quilling and found that this is the craft for me, I kept making more and more projects. As I quill more often, I started to have severe pain in hands and shoulders due to repetitive strain injury. Then I decided to invest on this tool. It works on a 2 AA batteries. Just twist the tool to open the batteries slot. Simply put in the batteries and twist again. Twist again to lock, and then it's ready to go. It has a slot to hold the paper and press the button. It takes a matter of seconds to roll a strip of paper, so it makes our work faster and efficient. When I first started to use, I found it faster and little hard. But with few trials, I was able to cope with the speed and able to handle it more smoothly. Hope this video helps. You can find a link in the description where you could buy them. Thanks for watching.